Hi everybody, we've just got home today and we've been away for 11 days, right? And our fridge has hardly been opened and I've got fruit and veg. These are the ones that I really want to check out. These are mushrooms, okay? Now, these have been there for 11 days. Check that out. Probably just about getting there, but I'll tell you what, they're not too bad. Not too bad. I reckon I might just leave the lid off. They're a little bit moist, but the thing is, if you leave the lid off, the air will dry them out. What else have we got? Sorry, lettuce. That still looks pretty good. The main thing I was probably worried about is the pumpkin. Let's have a look at this. Oh, that might be a bit dodgy. No, hang on. Oh, yeah, nah. All right, 11 days was a bit much for that one. That's all right. I mean, that's still not too bad for 11 days, is it? We got carrots. Brussels sprouts might be a little bit spotty. Still hard. Let me just peel it out of leads off. I mean, 11 days, goodness me, that's just crazy. Lemons, they still look all right. I got here, oh, that's lettuce. Anyway, might I won't do it now. Oh, corn on the cob. That's interesting. That's the lid for the. Oh, look at that. Have a look at that. Oh, a little bit of, yep. Gosh, 11 days. That's amazing. Knew these were good. Anyway, that's about it. The carrots will be fine because they're pretty good. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Well, I'm impressed. Anyway, leave that with you. We've got cheese up there in the clear mate. Oh, that's butter. Oh, these are the cheese keepers. I need 2 hands. Look at that. That has been there. It's got holes in the lid. See that? That's been there for 11 days. Bloody amazing. Whoops, I mean to swear. That's just do my head in. Amazing. That's just kofa. Eggs, bacon. Anyway, I might have a better look tomorrow, but that's pretty damn impressive, I reckon. Right? Bye for now.